Hello everyone. Today's topic is addition and the chapter number 3, and the theme is one more. Let's sing. One little parrot singing I love you. One little parrot singing I love you. One more joins in making them two. One more joins in making them two. Two little parrots resting on a tree. Two little parrots resting on a tree. One more joins in making them three. One more joins in making them three. Three little parrots looking for more. Three little parrots looking for more. One more joins in making them four. One more joins in making them four. Four little parrots wanting to dive. Four little parrots wanting to dive. One more joins in making them five. One more joins in making them five. Now, how many altogether? Here is two cows are there. This is one or this is two, and one more cow is coming, grazing for grass. So that how many altogether will be there? 1, 2, and one more here come. This is 1, 1, 2, and this is one more. Then how many altogether? Then 1, 2, then 3. It becomes 3. Here was 2 cows and 1 cow came is equal to 3 cows. Okay, here also we will see in this picture also. Okay, 3 children. This is 1 children. This picture is not looking properly. 1 children, 2 and 3. 3 children and 1 children, then 2 children. 2 children is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. So 5 children. Okay. Now here is one flower pot. In flower pot there are 1, 2, 3, this is 4 and 5 flowers are there. These are 5 flowers and how many flowers? 1 and 2. Here is 5 flowers and 2 flowers. How many flowers will be there? 7 flowers will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is 7. Okay. Now how many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 words. And how many words are there here? 2. 4 plus 2. How many words will be there? 6 words. Okay. Nice. Here how many altogether? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 1 and 2. 2. 6 and 2. How many will be there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. That's why I have written here 8. Like that here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to write here 5. And here is 5 tomato and here is 5 tomato. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many tomato are here? 0 tomato is here. So that's why here we should write 0 because of in this box there is no tomato. So we have to write here 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ends are there. 4 and these are 2 ends. 4 ants and 2 ants. How many ants will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Then we have to write here 6. Here is how many books are there? 4. How many books are here in this box? 0. So 4 and 0, how many will be there? Only 4 will be there. Now, how many altogether? One brown cat was there. It was having 4 flowers, and one black cat was there. It was having 3 flowers, and both they have putted that flower in the flower pot and become a friend. 4 flowers. He was having 3 flowers. How many flowers are there? 7 flowers. Both they become friend. Similarly, we will see here. There were 4 puppies. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 puppies were there, and 2 more puppies came there. How many puppies altogether? 6. Nice. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one 6 puppies. Now, one boy having 4 plums. He was having 4 plums in his palm, and another boy, he was having 4 yellow plums. So how many altogether? 4 red and 4 yellow. These all become altogether 8 plums. Now, one more addition. 2 points. Here is 2 points. Here is 3 points. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 and 3. These become 5. Similarly, 4 plus 2. How many will be there? 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 6, 9. 7 plus 0, 7. 0 plus 9, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 6, 9. 7 plus 0, 7. 0 plus 9, it become 9. Okay, I think you understood very well. Now come to next. One more addition. One boy having 3 balloons, 1, 2 and 3, and one girl she was having 2 flowers or 2 balloons. How many altogether? 5 balloons she gave to that boy, so it become 5 balloons. One boy, he was having no balloons. The girl gave him 2 balloons. So how many balloons he is having? 2 balloons. Then we have to write here 2. One boy, he was having 3 balloons. The girl, she was having 0 balloons. Then 3 balloons only. One boy, he was having 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One boy having 5 balloons, and the girl was having 0 balloons. Then how many balloons are together? He is having only 5. The boy is having 4 balloons and girl is having 0 balloons. So how many balloons are there in boy's hand? Only 4 balloons. 4 plus 0, 4. Here also boy is having 3 balloons, girl is having 4 balloons. How many altogether? 3 plus 4, 7 balloons. Now one more addition. Here are 3 bunch of grapes. 1 bunch, 2 and 3 bunch of grapes. Here also 1 bunch, 2, 3, 4 bunch. In this box 3 bunches are there. In this box 4 bunches there. 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, it becomes 7. Here is 1 2 3 4. There are 4 apples, and here also 4 apples. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Here are 4 1 2 3 4 and 5. These are 5 and these are 2. These are 5, these are 2. 5 plus 2, 7. Here are 5 lemons and here are 2 lemons. It becomes 7 lemons. Here is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here is 6 figs. Here is 1 2 3. Here is 3 figs. 6 plus 3, total 9 figs. Now 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 3. Okay, interchanging. Here is 3 plus 2, 1 2 3 4 5. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So they are writing here 2 plus 3. Now 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. Then we have to look 2. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. Now 3 plus 4, 7. It becomes 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Then 5 2 7. 8 plus 0, 8. Where is 8? Here is 8. 8 plus 0, 8. Then 0 plus 8, this one. 2 plus 1, 3. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, 4. Then we have to write 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, one more is there. I think 3 plus 6, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. This one 6 plus 3, 9, and 3 plus 6, 9. Okay, solved. Now add. 2 plus 7, 9. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 0 plus 2, 2. 3 plus 4, 7. How you can write this? 1 plus 3. 1 2 3. It become, this is 3, this is 1, 4. Similar way you can add. Now 3 plus 6, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 3, 6. 0 plus 8, 8. 6 plus 3, 9. 1 plus 7, 8. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. How you can write another way? These are 3 line. 1 2 3 line, or 4 1 2 3 4. How many line are together? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Similarly way you can solve. Now write the missing numerals. We have to write missing numerals. Okay, here should be 5. We have to add here to any number, its addition should be 5. हमें यहाँ पे ऐसे 2 नंबर जोड़ना है जिनका योग 5 होना चाहिए. Let's start. 2 plus 3 5, 4 plus 3 7, 3 plus 1 4, 5 plus 3 8, 4 plus 2 2 plus 1, 5 plus 4, and here 0 plus 1. Now this lesson